Thanks, that was necessary.
For your chance to win $1,000. Coming up on the X Ride 21 Pilots. I just want
Inbound Edgewood Swissvale to the Squirrel Hill Tunnel. No other big problems on the parkways. Through Pittsburgh, 15th Street is blocked between Carson Street and Bingham Street. That for ongoing construction. Brandon Joseph, Total Traffic.
This report is sponsored by Rocket Mortgage.
Did you know Geico's now offering an extra 15% credit on car and motorcycle policies? That's 15% on top of what Geico could already save you. So what are you waiting for? Your dentist to actually believe you?
and you're flossing everything.
Club history, Gino started fourth. There's no denying what they've done. There's also denying lately in those 7 games in Saturday.
Vertical, horizontal, one pad vertical, one pad horizontal. You go up against the post, and the thinking is you can push off from the post and you can cover up the low area. It makes no sense to me. I don't understand why goalies are doing this. I don't know where it started.
Wake up, dude.
As a very wise hockey man once said to me, just stand.
Thank you very much. You too.
Welcome to the room of people who are dreams of people that they love one day.
You can go to their official website, which is full retro right now. It's a throwback, like you're messing around. Lincoln Park has a desk tag from about 20 years ago. They're getting ready for the 20th anniversary.
Dumb, it's no less true for being so. 412-333 WXDX is the number to call.
I used one from 2003, but it fits him a lot more than his Nissan did.
Big difference. So I'm asking you to say it with me, America. Coronavirus stops with me. You can learn more at coronavirus.com.
Frank's Red Hot Thick Sauce is still the
Voglio essere un animale, no, 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 lo sono già da te.
On the right side, they move in, going to the net, and it's shot by Cherry. And I think that puck went in, but Zucker was right there in front. I don't know if he touched it or not, but the Penguins have a 2-0 lead. Season. And the Penguins do win it, but they can't clear. They'll get another crack at it, and they do shovel it to center. Up with the Gensel, empty net facing him. He puts it in, and the Penguins will win this hockey game tonight and even the series on a Jake Gensel goal.
Woo!
And ladies and gentlemen, Elvis has just left the building. Well, great. Just being real selective about when they go and when they don't. But if you're asking if the trap is a
What in the hell is that in front of me?
It's an approach I might use, but then again, the Canadians have a lot of speed and skill up front, so trapping is
What in the
counterproductive
fuck?
to that. I don't know if the Canadians have chosen one way or the other. In fact,